Hi friends, welcome to my channel. I'm sharing a recipe of an ice cream which can be made very easily with three simple ingredients. I have tried this ice cream many times and it turns out to be very similar to the tender coconut ice cream we get at Naturals. Not exactly the same but similar. Take around 50 grams of tender coconut and pulse it in a mixer. See to it it's not a paste, it has to have small bits of pieces. We have to use the thick portion of the cream, so refrigerate the cream packets for few hours so it's easy for us to separate the thick portion. Whip the cream for 2 to 3 minutes using a hand blender. Add around 200 grams of condensed milk and whip the mixture again. Add tender coconut pieces and mix well. Add this in a container and let it set in the refrigerator for 5 to 6 hours. You can take scoops out of this ice cream or cut it into small pieces and serve. Thanks for watching. Do like, share and subscribe.